Hi everyone, I'm Sridevi. I'm living in Germany and this is my Indian kitchen. Today I wanted to present you some of the famous Indian dishes. India is known for its diversity. Diversity in culture, diversity in religion, diversity in languages, also diversity in cuisine. So today I wanted to present you some of the famous dishes from different cuisines, like starting with the first one, Navratan Korma. This is originated from Mughlai cuisine from North India. And the second dish I would be presenting you is a South Indian coastal region fish dish. It's a side dish. And the third dish I wanted to present you from West India, which is a dessert. To talk about Mughlai cuisine is very rich in dry fruits, nuts, spices, cream, and Indian clarified butter. So, today we are going to see such a dish. It's called Navratan Korma, and this has got 9 key elements. Navratan means 9 gems. So, these are my 9 gems that I've taken today for the recipe. So, there is some vegetables, some dry fruits, and nuts I've taken. So, carrots, peas, cauliflower. This is Indian cottage cheese, which is also called paneer. Here is capsicum, and the dry fruits and nuts I have taken is pecan nuts, cashew nuts, almonds, and dried grapes. So these are the 9 key elements that I will be adding to my sauce. And for the base sauce, I will be adding some more ingredients that I want to present you now. So here I have taken some onions, roughly chopped onions, 2 green chilies, and some cashew nuts. So you have to put it in a pot, add some water, and you have to cook for 10 minutes. After it is cooked, you have to cool down the mixture and then grind it into a fine puree like this. So this is for our base sauce, and you also need some ginger garlic paste. To make ginger garlic paste, take some 5 to 6 spots of garlic and 1 inch of ginger, and you have to add some water. Also you have to puree it in the mixer, and you will get a paste like this, and you're going to use it in this recipe. So these are the 2 base thing you need for the sauce, and these are the ingredients that you need. And you will also need some Indian clarified butter, ghee, and you will need some fresh cream and some garnishes at the end. Okay, let's get started with Navratan Korma. I have heated my pan, and I am taking 2 tablespoons of ghee, which is also called Indian clarified butter. So now you add it to the pan. Once it is hot, add your ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons, and saute it. You can have medium flame for this step. Just for a few seconds you need to saute this. Now you get a very good aroma from ginger garlic paste. At this point, now you need to add the paste that we have ground already. So this is onion, green chilies, and cashew nut. So this fine paste you are going to add now, and then mix it. So you can cook this in a medium flame. Because of cashew nut paste, it might get stuck to the bottom if it is in high heat. So next step you can add some spices. So here is my spice powder box. So there are 2 spices are going to go in this. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm not going to add other spices for this recipe because this is going to be a mild creamy as a base. So give it a mix. You can add some water. Mix it. So now put the lid on and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to add all our vegetables and dry fruits and nuts. First I'm adding carrots. Next I'm adding green peas. Then capsicum, red capsicum. I'm adding Indian cottage cheese, paneer. Now next is cauliflower. Next is cashew nuts. Some dry grapes. Some pecan nuts. And some almonds. Now mix everything together. This dish takes very less time to cook once all the ingredients are ready. You can finish the dish in 20 to 30 minutes. Give it a mix. If you want, you can add some water to dilute. So at this step you need to also add some salt. So now you have to cover it and cook for another 4 minutes. So the last step would be to add some fresh cream. So I have taken about 150 ml of fresh cream. So this you need to add to the sauce and then you can finalize the dish. So now the sauce is boiling. And give it a mix. Now you can add around 100 ml of fresh cream. Cover it and wait for the boil. So now our sauce is ready. We are going to add some coriander leaves. Mix it. Then you can also switch off the stove. Sauce is ready. We can present it in the bowl. So now you can garnish it with some fresh cream. And some coriander leaves and some pomegranate, just to add some color and also to give a sweet taste to the dish. So this is our final Navratan Korma, ready to be served with basmati rice. And here is my final menu: Navratan Korma with rice, main dish, side dish, fish fry, and this is dessert, mango srikanth. Please try it at your home and I hope you enjoy it. Namaste.